Good morning, good morning. Yep, it's still morning. It's 10:30. So I have started a new system repair here. Yeah, it's a big tank hole. So we're gonna have two 1,500-gallon tanks. One here, which is a septic tank, and over there will be the pump tank. And this is the old septic tank and system. So this is an old block tank. I don't know if you can see the ridges there. It's concrete block, and they pretty much just dig a hole and lay block, and then use these slab lids or slabs of concrete for lids. That's it. The system was this was a clay system, as you can see right there, clay. But the previous repair, they had added some PVC to it because the clay was clogged up. But as you can see here, this filter T, she's broke. So I don't know if that's from, me pulling on the lids with the machine or what. But yeah, because it's tight fast to the lid. So yeah. So that's going to get buried along with everything else right here. So these lids will be broken down and placed inside here, and this will be filled up with dirt. Fill up with the dirt from those, and then this pipe will get cut here and then piped over to the new tank. Completely abandoning the old system. I did dig into it a little bit with the tank with the new holes. But, is what it is on that aspect. So, also, now, as y'all can see, this is what's mostly come out of here, rock. So I hit that about 24-ish inches. And as you can see, on that there, that gravel, or that black gravel, is the old system, and you see the corrugated there. There is some clay mixed into that, but the system is sitting on top of rock, and to me that's why it failed, because there's no way it can do its job when there's literally no soil. It's this water hits it and it sits on top. System gets filled up, and then you have, like they were having originally, backups and nothing's draining. So I think my tank truck is here, so I'm gonna we got new drain field going up top of the hill, and that'd be it. Yep, right there. There's our tank. Alright, so now we're going to start the drain field. Aren't we, Bailey? So I already got the laser set on surface, which is checking contour from start to end, which is down there. And trench bottom is going to be 24 inches. Let's get to digging. Oh, the other tank will be here shortly. Well, actually in a few hours. So, got plenty of time. Okay, before I get too far, alright, so the last portion was just digging that first line, and so at this point we have them all in, 100 foot here. This one got partially covered up just now because it's getting ready to storm, so 100 foot here, and then there's a 40 foot there's a 40 foot right there. So I'm gonna get all this covered up the best I can for now. I'll come back tomorrow with a skid steer, and then you have the I got to do the connections on the end down there, and I'll probably do that tomorrow or something. So either way, yeah. So that pretty much wraps this one up. Electricians are down there hooking up the electrical for the panel, and yeah. So that'll be it for this one. Like I said, I'm just cover it all up and roll on. Actually, no. Well, yeah, that is it. I just do have to wire the pump.